As you might be aware, getting the clarity you need to improve your chronic or acute pain and ultimately getting back your full mobility and improve your quality of life is a major problem for most people dealing with acute and chronic pain. Even athletes dealing with long-term injuries or men and women dealing with post-surgical pain and lack of mobility around the world. The pain management space is absolutely flooded with physios, massage therapists, and other allied health practitioners, all promising to help us get results but ultimately not taking full responsibility when pain doesn't go away or when it keeps coming back, just adding to our overwhelm and frustration. The fact is, there are three main reasons athletes dealing with injuries, seniors dealing with chronic or acute pain, and men and women dealing with post-surgical pain and stiffness struggle to get long-term results, and this is: number 1, the lack of clarity on what could give them results and what doesn't. Number 2, the feeling that there are no real solutions to improve their symptoms, so they will have to get used to feel pain. And number three, feeling that most practitioners won't really take any responsibility on the possible outcomes of the treatments. Does this sound familiar? In all of my experience serving and talking with amazing folks from all over the world, I hear these three struggles and pains all the time. But these are only symptoms of a much greater issue. The real issue here is the lack of a clear point A to point B system that is easy to follow, a clear roadmap that is being proven to help people just like you recover from pain in the long term. The good news is that if you're struggling with these issues, I'm going to give you some very clear, proven and easy to implement steps you can use right away to overcome these issues so you can improve pain and mobility without complications or recurrence of pain. This is where our pain management integrative treatments come in. Let me show you how it works. We commit with each one of our patients we work with to achieve these steps in this exact order. Stage 1 is assessment. First, with a 3D body composition scan, we will get 3D views of your body with multiple clinical grade measurements so we can have an objective view of your body and the level of inflammation. Next, our unique cellular inflammation test ensures our patients know the exact level of inflammation in their body so we can combat it and reduce acute and chronic pain permanently and fast. At the same time, we test the level of toxicity in your body so you can reduce it and improve pain and quality of life using our breathing balance test device. On stage 2, we combine our treatment. So after getting an exact diagnosis of where you are at the starting point, the first part of the treatment is to establish the type of natural supplements and the specific dose each one of our patients need according to all the results we get from the assessment. All our supplements are natural and will be targeted to every patient based on their individual necessity. Then, the core mechanism of ensuring they can reduce local inflammation, improve circulation, muscle tone, and create new collagen to regenerate the tissue and achieve long-lasting results including better mobility, less stiffness, and improvement in pain is our state-of-the-art technology treatment, where we include treatments with radiofrequency, laser, lymphatic pump, and muscular stimulation, among others, to achieve results faster without the impact of physical therapy and hard exercise. The last step in the treatment stage is to customize an exercise program, which shows our patients how to improve mobility and reduce pain with the right type and intensity of exercise each and every day like clockwork. The stage 3 of our program is our follow-up system. Once we have your assessment and treatment in place and you start seeing real results, we will kick off the follow-up stage by building out a 3-month follow-up assessment plan, which allows us to be sure that the treatment has been able to reduce inflammation to a normal level so the body is more balanced and the probability for a recurrence or further injuries are under control. Next up, we help our patients to be sure that the treatment has been able to control toxicity, so the probabilities for a recurrence or further injuries are controlled as well. This step will be allocated on a 6-month follow-up assessment. The final step of our pain management integrative treatment program is to ensure our patients are confident that the probabilities of recurrence or further injuries remain under control, organizing a 9-month follow-up assessment plan. So, if you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be following right now to achieve your pain management goals, then book your free 3D body scan and strategy session at the link below. In just 45 minutes, we will get clear on what's holding you back, and we'll map out a crystal clear step-by-step strategy you can follow to achieve your pain management goals with confidence in the next 4 weeks. Lastly, we will decide if you would be a good fit for our pain management integrative treatment program. Please note, this program is only for you if you're the type of person who is willing to invest in your health, is actively seeking for positive solutions, and will commit yourself to achieving this outcome right now. If that's you, then click the link below to schedule your free 3D body scan and strategy session. I look forward to speaking with you.